Good morning, students. Today we will begin with chapter number 9, Madam Rides the Bus, part 3. Before starting the chapter, we will discuss what happened in the previous video classes. In the beginning of the chapter, we discussed that Valli would stand at the door of the main gate and she would watch everything happening in the street. That was his pastime, favorite pastime. And then Valli planned to ride the bus. In planning, she calculated the money, she calculated and collected the money, and then she calculated the time, and then she planned how to sneak out of the house. And then finally, when she ride the bus, she met with the conductor. The conductor was having jolly type of nature, and then what happened? He addressed Valli as Madam. Actually, Valli was mature than her age and she was behaving like that. That's why conductor addressed her Madam. Then what happened? See now. The bus rolled on, now cutting across the bare landscape, dry, bare, and has very few plants and trees. Bare landscape means dry and bare and has very few plants and trees. Rushing through a tiny hamlet smaller than village, or past an old wayside shop. So the bus was passing through the landscape, then crossing tiny hamlet, and then roadside shops. Valli always used these hours for her excursions. She stood looking from the doorway of her house or sometimes even ventured out. So, excursions means the time used to do something new, something adventurous. So, whenever mother would sleep at afternoon time, every time she would go out in the village and she would do something new, something courageously, and she would do something cautiously. But first time she decided to use the same hours to go outside the village. It means she was in habit of moving outside the house, moving here and there in the village in very leisurely manner. And first time she is trying to go out of the village. From there, now it is for bus. From there, it travel across or through. Traverse means traveling through the area. Which type of area? A busy, well laid out shopping street or area means well laid out means well decorated and well set up of shops in the street. And then it took turning, and then the bus entered the white thoroughfare means the white public busy area of market. Such big, bright looking shops. Who was excited? Valli. Why? Because she was watching the bright shops. Glittering. What glittering displays of clothes? Glittering, shining. So clothes were shining and they were displayed very well. And other merchandise means other things which were to be sold were also displayed in very fine manner. And there was a big crowd. Struck dumb with wonder means shocked. Valli with surprise. Shocked with surprise. Valli gasped. Gasped means with open mouth. She watched everything. Then the bus stopped. It means the stoppage came and everyone got off except Valli. Everyone came out of the bus except Valli. Hey lady, said the conductor. Aren't you ready to get off? This is as far as your 30 paise takes you. Now conductor said, hey lady, see here. Lady means again he is talking in very funny manner. He said, are you not ready to come out of the bus? Everybody has come out of the bus. This is as far as means the place has come where your 30 paisa can take you. No, Valli said, I am going back on the same bus. See how clever she was. How good planning she made. She took another 30 paise from her pocket and handed the coins to the conductor. She said, No, I am not ready to come out of the bus. I will sit here and then I will go by the same bus. And then she takes out again next 30 paise and she wants to hand over the coins to the conductor. Why? Is something the matter? The conductor asked. Is there any problem? She said, No, nothing's the matter. Nothing is, no problem is there. I just felt like having a bus ride, that's all. I just wanted to ride the bus. That's why I have come. Otherwise, there is no problem. Don't you want to have a look at the sights now that you are here? Means, now if you have reached here, go and see the scenes and the shining things of the town. This was the advice by the conductor. All by myself means, should I go alone? Oh, it would be much too afraid. Then she said it would be very fearful if she would go alone in the market. Greatly amused by the girl's way of speaking, the conductor said, But you were not afraid to come in the bus. Now he got the time to have the entertainment or to make the fun. Then he said, When you ride the bus, you were not afraid. Then why are you afraid now to go out of the to go and see the to come out of the bus and to go and see the things in the market? Then Valli said, Nothing to be afraid of about that. She answered. She said, No, I am not afraid of that. Well then, why not go to that stall over there and have something to drink? Nothing to be afraid of about that. That either. This is either. Then conductor offered Valli to come out of the bus and to go to the nearby stall and to have a drink. It was very near to bus, so there should not be any reason of feeling fearful. Oh, no, I could not do that, Valli said. See how clever she was. She was not coming out of the bus. Well then, let me bring you a cool drink. Then conductor offered cold drink. He said, Okay, I'll bring you cold drink. No, I don't have enough money. Just give me my ticket. That's all. She said, No, I don't want any cold drink because I am having no enough money. I have money only just to buy my return ticket. It will be my treat and not cost you anything, conductor said. I am giving you a treat. I am not going to take money for cold drink. No, no, she said firmly, strongly. She said, No, please, no, I don't want any cold drink. The conductor shrugged and they waited until it was time for the bus to begin the return journey. Now the conductor shrugged means raised the shoulder and for a moment and express the doubt and ignorance, and then means he said, Okay, if you don't want to have drink, I am not going to buy. He said without words, only just raising the shoulders. And then they waited. Who is they here? They is for Valli and conductor. They waited until there was the time for the return journey. Again, there were not many passengers. Now, when there was return journey, the passengers were again less. Won't your mother be looking for you? The conductor asked when he gave the girl her ticket. No, nobody will be looking for me, she said when she was getting the ticket. The bus started, and again there were the same wonderful sights, Same means when she saw the sights first time while coming, and when she was going back she was seeing the same sight. Wali was not bored. Same scenes were there. Even then she was not feeling bored. So excited she was, and greeted everything with the same excitement she had felt the first time. So this is the end of today's video class. In next video class we will do the ending part of the chapter. I hope that you are able to understand. Thank you.